So now let's see how we can utilize energy distortion and fluid distortion effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this particular footage right here, and in order to add an energy distortion and fluid distortion effect to it, I'm going to go around under effects right here. Then I'm going to go around and scroll down until I find the distort folder right here. And over here you can see that energy distortion is an option over here just like this. So if I were to go around and click and drag this on my footage right here, then you can see that there is a distortion over here for the footage just like this. You can go around and change it out to liquid over here just like this, and you can see that there is sort of a liquid distortion over here just like this. You can go around and scale this out and change around the diffusion bias right here and change around the scale as well, and then you can see that you have the distortion accordingly. You can also go around and change around the rotation and change around the distortion axis right here. You can go around and change around the wind speed right here, the noise speed in animation, and change around the wind direction and change around the speed of the noise, and then change around the noise over here just like this as well. You can go around and change around the axis of the distortion as you can see right here, and change around the sub-level settings over here just like this as well, and change around the offset and everything else. So if I were to go around and press the space bar, then you can see that you get the distortion accordingly as per how you have actually went around and then applied the effect right here. So let's just go around and delete this out right here. Apart from that, I'm going to go around under effects, and here you can see that fluid distortion is an effect right here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out under fluid distortion, then you can go around and change around the distortion. You can change around the scale, the diffusion bias and strength as you can see, and change around the rotation of the fluid distortion over here as well. And then you can change around the animation and so forth as you can see. So energy distortion and fluid distortion works in a similar way as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and change around the noise and everything, you can see that there's a bit of a difference right here, that it distorts out the footages similarly. And that is how you can go around and work around with the energy distortion and fluid distortion inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.